Microphones are used in many applications such as telephones, motion picture production, sound recording, and so on. Sometimes we need to find mic positive and negative for electrical and electronics project purpose. So here is a simple way to find microphone positive and negative terminal with a multimeter at home. First, set the multimeter on continuity mode or beep mode. Then put red needle on any one of mic point and put black needle on metal case of mic. If it's beep, then it is negative. And if they not beep, then it is positive.